Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we'll walk through the detailed process of replacing the motor in your Dyson DC29 vacuum cleaner. This task requires a few specific tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver set, and a pair of pliers. Ensure you have these handy before we start. First, unplug your Dyson DC29 from the wall outlet to ensure safety. Start by removing the dust canister and filter. This will give you better access to the motor area. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the top cover of the vacuum. There are usually 4 screws located at the back and sides. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top cover off. Be cautious as there are cables attached. You may need to disconnect them carefully using your flathead screwdriver. With the cover removed, you should see the motor assembly. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris in this area to ensure optimal performance after the repair. Now, locate the screws holding the motor in place. Depending on your model, there could be 3 or 4 screws. Use your Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for hidden screws or clips that might still be securing the motor. With the screws removed, carefully lift the motor out. Be mindful of any wiring connected to it. If you're unsure about the wiring connections, take a photo for reference or label them as you disconnect them. If you don't have the tools required for this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, providing a professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, take your new motor and position it in the same spot as the old one. Reconnect the wiring according to your reference photo or labels. Once connected, secure the motor with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's snug but avoid over-tightening. After the motor is securely in place, it's time to reattach the top cover. Position it carefully to avoid pinching any wires. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the cover. Ensure everything is aligned correctly before tightening the screws. Finally, reinsert the dust canister and filter. Plug your vacuum back in and power it on to test if the motor replacement was successful. If you hear any unusual sounds or if the vacuum doesn't operate as expected, it may be worth checking your connections again or consulting a professional. Remember, we provide a quote before any repair to ensure transparency and peace of mind. If everything is working well, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson DC29. Keep your vacuum clean and well maintained to prolong its life. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.